everyone, my name is Geraldus Franco, and I am a recent graduate with a Bachelor of Science degree in Physics from Baraga State University. I am passionate about applying my analytical and problem-solving skills to a challenging and rewarding career in classical mechanics. This video highlights my qualification experience, showcasing how I can contribute to your team. Throughout my academic career, I have developed a strong foundation in physics, including classical mechanics, quantum physics, and thermodynamics. My coursework involves extensive laboratory work, data analysis, and complex problem solving, honing my skills, critical thinking, research, and attention to detail. One of my proudest achievements was designing and building a functioning device for my senior thesis project, which was recognized by the university for its innovative design and practical applications. Additionally, I consistently achieved team honors throughout my studies, demonstrating my commitment to academic excellence. I am eager to leverage my skills and passion for physics to contribute to a dynamic and innovative organization. Thank you for your time and consideration. I welcome the opportunity to discuss how my qualifications align with your needs. You can reach me at bulfangogerald9@gmail.com. I forward to hearing from you soon.